Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to share a few kits that I'm thinking about getting for next year. I'm trying to pare down what kits I want for 2025, and I have the Sterling ink kit. I have a sticker kit and some cards from Coco Daisy, and then I have the Graceful Muse September kit. So I am currently on a spending freeze. So the Sterling ink and the Coco Daisy was from August, and then the Graceful Muse, I had a coupon code, so I got the decorative kit. And I am actually trying to pare down what I'm going to get for 2025. I am being more conscious of my spending. And especially for 2025, whatever kits I get, I want to stick to those kits. And I don't want to add anything. My goal is to just keep a consistency with the same items. I'm probably not going to do Sterling ink for next year. I was actually not going to get the September kit. I will tell you, the reason why I did get the September kit, I thought it was going to be more of a breakfast or, yeah, she had showed a cute drawing that she did, and it was like a breakfast theme. So I thought a lot of the kit was going to be that. Well, it's actually not. It is very floral. I do like her florals, but I'm kind of getting floraled out, and that's why I'm thinking I'm going to go more towards Graceful Muse for 2025. I did do a comparison before, but I do want to kind of share the items in the Sterling ink, and then I'll share for the Graceful Muse. So you do get this pretty sticker. It's a clear vellum sticker. Or sorry, it's not vellum. It's just, well, yeah, I guess this is considered vellum. So it's a clear vellum sticker. But it feels more, well, I think this is just a clear sticker because this is the vellum. Yeah, the vellum is softer. So you get these florals. So this is what I thought we were going to be getting more of. But then I noticed she has the living room scene, this scene and that scene. I'll be honest, I'm getting a little worn out with these kind of scenes. So this, yeah, that's pretty much why I am not going to probably get her kits for next year, and I'm going to stick with Graceful Muse. I do sometimes like to put some of the girls in my planner for decorations. So yeah, once again, we'll do like a comparison. I think Graceful Muse also, they've changed a few of their sticker kits, so I'm excited to see that. But yeah, so see, this is like, I was excited about like this breakfast theme, but see, it looks the same. And then see, you have that kind of looks the same. That kind of looks the same. That kind of looks the same. So yeah, see, it's just a lot of kind of the same looking stickers. So yeah, honestly, I think I'm over the floor. I like the florals, but I'm over it because I also have some Happy Planner sticker books where I have florals as well. So yeah, and then you get 2 of these. I am gonna miss like this sticker sheet, and I do like her vellum. Oops. So the vellum is really pretty. I'm just, once again, I'm kind of over the whole floral theme because every month is floral, even though her vellum is so pretty. That is gorgeous. I'm just, yeah, kind of over it. And everything after a while, like in the month, starts to look alike. And then she offers other things, but then you're paying $60, $70, and yeah. So yeah, that's her B6 vellum monthly calendar. And then I do like these as well. But yeah. So that is the Graceful Muse sticker sheets. And that, I believe, will be my last kit. And unless it's a very wow kit, I'm not going to be getting any more Sterling ink. I'll just use my stash because I have saved some of my kits. Okay, I actually forgot to add this little envelope. This came with the Sterling ink as well. So you get, it's a clear sheet of the theme for the month. And then a couple of like decorative stickers. You get the tabs. See, those are a few things I am going to miss. You get the monthly stickers. You get this. See, both kits you get one of these. I just don't know. I'm really debating now because it is pretty. But I have to choose one for the month. So anyway, so yeah, that is a part of the kit as well. I forgot to show this when I was doing the unboxing. So now let's go into the Graceful Muse, which I'm excited about. She does florals, but so she has a different style to it. So we're going to go ahead and dig into this. Super excited about that. So, oh, see, look, see, that's what I like. Look at the scenes. Like, it's just, her style is just different. It's more of what I am looking for. Like I said, I like getting the girls as well. That is so pretty. And then you get this card. And you can use that as a tip-in or a dashboard. So pretty. So this month's theme is homebody. And I think she's gone to all vellum. Like I said, this is the decorative bundle. Because I had a code. It came out to $28. And that was with shipping. And I'll also leave an affiliate link at the bottom. Oh my gosh, that's already looking so pretty. I'll put this in case we need to. So yes, she has gone all vellum. So there's those beautiful florals. You get a lot of sheets. Oh, that's cute. Oh my goodness. See, the style is just different. I'm not really big on like these kind of stickers, but that's cute. Actually, I may give that to my daughter. That looks like kind of her style. So pretty. And I like the diversity. This is so cute. I like the book and then the plant. Oh, that's so pretty. What does that say? In the embrace of a cozy blanket, time stands still as you wander through the pages of a story. I like that. Let's see what else. Oh, wow. See, she has the coffee, the bed. Like, that is so cute. Yeah, I am going to stick with Graceful Muse. Nothing against Sterling ink, but Graceful Muse is more, it's more of a diverse, it's more diverse. See, and I like these because you can put these on the side of your page or on the bottom of your page. And there's so many sticker sheets. Look at that. Wow. So pretty. Tell me what you think. What do you like better? Sterling ink or Graceful Muse. I mean, like I said, I like sterling ink, but and I also like the different sizes she offers with this. They're just different. They're just different. See, because they're both vellum. And actually, those would look like really pretty together. They both have like the pop of purples. But see, and now looking at this, I'm looking at how pretty it is. It is very pretty. But I have to choose unless I switch switch off every other month. 1 month do Graceful Muse, 1 month do yeah, I didn't think you could see that. Let's see. So that is so cool. She did a gold foil for her monthly. I've never seen that. It's always been black. So pretty. Chapter 9. And that's the thing. I feel like if I'm going to do either Graceful Muse or sterling ink, I kind of want it to be uniformed. Look at that. And that's what I like too, the torn shapes. That is so cute. Oh, and actually, she was doing the journaling kit. Is she not? Let's see. Body. Oh, I guess she's not doing the journaling style kits anymore. Ah, that's, I think, what the change is. There was like, yeah. It's still pretty. There we go. Layering shapes. This is September's freebie. So pretty. Such a different color for fall. I really like it. And then you get a little calendar here too. So that's what's nice is both kits give you a monthly calendar. I was trying to grab the one for sterling ink. I can't find it. Huh, somewhere under here. Oh, yeah, somewhere under here. Well, yeah. So there. And then, and I like these small ones, pieces, or a mini deco sheet as well. And then what's nice, see, both kits you get vellum. So I think I showed that. But yeah, that's the Graceful Muse. So it's so hard. Like, I'm debating, like, what's nice is both you can skip. Like, if I want to alternate between the two, like 1 month maybe do Graceful Muse and 1 month do sterling ink. Maybe I'll do that because the price point is about the same. So, and then I just want to show this sticker kit really quick. So I was debating about getting the classic cousin sticker kit, but I actually, for October, I am trying out the deluxe. The deluxe kit has sold out. Like I said, I'm supposed to be on a spending sprees, but in order to get the deluxe kit, I had to jump on it now. So I'm thinking with Coco Daisy, I may just do their deluxe kit, but I did get the classic cousin sticker kit because it was such a cute theme. See? And then you also get vellum as well. So yeah, so I want to, like I said, be consistent for next month. I'm not going to go through these cards, but I also got the pocket cards. And then for September, I thought the colors went really nice with this booklet. I'm thinking I'm going to do my memory keeping in here, change this to September, and maybe do some memory keeping in here. So we will see. I like to do tip-ins and things like that. So we will see. I'm experimenting for this year. And yeah, for 2025, I'm just trying to make some changes. So I already know what I'm going to use for my detail planner. So I want to show you really quick the loose term 1917. I almost wanted to just move into this. So instead of moving into this, this was supposed to be a scripture writing sermon journal. Instead, I'm going to use this starting this week actually, and practicing different layouts for my 2025 in here. So I got a little antsy, so I'm using this. This was in my stash. I bought this clearance out. Oh, was this around March or April? You know, when they clearance all the 2024 planners out, I purchased this. So this is a loose term 1917 yearly. It's a monthly calendar, and I like it because it's blank pages. So I figured I could move into here and practice some layouts. So then I can, I just got so excited about using the layout for this. So I decided to draw my own layout. If you're wondering, the stickers here came from Amazon. This is Planners Anonymous die cuts, and then I just put some paper in the background, which is Cocoa Daisy paper. This is just some washi tape from Planners Anonymous, and then these stickers I had in my stash. So yeah, this was stuff in my stash, and I purchased this, a little bit ago on Amazon, and decided to put, I wanted some Christian stickers to put on my planner. So I purchased a pack. I think it was like a pack of 150 or so for like $6.99. So I just put them in here. And then this is just talking about daily Christian education checkup. So this is from a website, generations.org curriculum. So I just put this in here to remind myself while I'm homeschooling, why I'm homeschooling. And then I haven't done anything yet. Still trying to figure it out. So that's why I wanted to start now. And I did put some Post-it notes. I did share how I want to use it, but I will be sharing the process of this because I'm excited. I am happy. It's already dated, so it's dated till 2025. So I'll just use this for the rest of the year. And so, yeah, so let me show you. I pretty much duplicated the layout in here. Because like I said, I wanted to get started. So it is a different size. This is a B6 plus, so it's a little taller. This is B6, so yeah, so I went ahead and drew that, and then I drew the line because here there's a box here. So I will share how I am using this, how I'm going to decorate this, and yeah, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. Once again, I will make a decision on what kits I'm going to have for 2025, and then I'm just going to stick to that. Every year, I'm constantly changing kits, and for 2025, I don't want to change anything. I want to pretty much stick to the same style kits. So I don't know if it's going to be Sterling Ink. I am going more towards Graceful Muse and going more towards Cocoa Daisy. But if there may be a month, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. So stay tuned. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. And I'm hoping by Monday I'll have this all set up so I can share how I am using this loose term 1917 that is duplicating this Aristel Daily. So thanks so much for stopping by. And one nice thing I like about this planner is it is numbered. So that helps so much to have it numbered. So yeah. So stay tuned, and I hope y'all have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.